English question and answers.
Do you know him? Do you know him? Yes, I know him. Yes, I know him. When will you go? When will you go? I will go by Sunday. I will go by Sunday. What is going on here? What's going on here? Nothing is special. Nothing is special. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? No, I can't. No, I can't. Do you like me? Do you like me? Yes, I like you. Yes, I like you. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in Mumbai. I live in Mumbai. What do you do? What do you do? I am a student. I am a student. Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Because I am upset. Because I am upset. What are you doing? What are you doing? I am reading books. I am reading books. Are you there? Are you there? Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
Now, you practice this again.